9. Way they go. Market value, missional, moving up down on the inside is tip in the night. Missional, followed by tip in the night. And on the outside is market value, moving up by the roll invincible, eagle swings. Open slew alongside security force number 1, Fields of Golden Angel to go. Tip in the night, now the leader missional open slew on the outside. Eagle swing down on the inside, invincible and market value. Rounding the far turn, tip in the night by Hapolan missional. Open slew market value rushing up now in fourth. Another far turn, tip in the night, open slew. Missional market value is on the outside fourth as they raise the final corner. Tip in the night, open slew, market value is on the outside. Open slew from the outside, tip in the night, and market value in third. And during the last 75 meters more to run, number 4, open slew, and finally, open slew. Second, market value, tip in the night, missional, and security force for